Today is story time on how I sold my second Raleigh M-20 mountain trail on Facebook Marketplace. This is how I made some easy cash, helped my channel grow a bit, and gave a tired old bike new life. I picked this bike up last fall on Facebook Marketplace for just $30. This is an old Raleigh mountain trail, probably from the early 90s. This bike was not in the best shape when I got it. The chain was rusty, the shift cables were damaged, and the paint was in rough shape. As always, the goal for this project was to build it on a budget and try to maximize my profit. Disassembly of the bike was a bit of a chore due to the rusted parts, but in the end, I came out on top. After inspection of the components and a thorough cleaning, I found that the following things needed to be done to restore this bike. The frame needed to be repainted because it was covered with thousands of scratches, the shifters were not in the best shape, and the cables and cable housings needed to be replaced. Let's review the costs. I'll put a running total in the upper left-hand corner. The bike was $30. I took some used twist grip shifters from my parts bin for $0. The cables and housings were $14 from Amazon Marketplace. The chain was $15. Paint and the custom Raleigh decals were $10. That's a grand total of $69. I listed it on Facebook Marketplace for $130, and a few weeks later, I found an interested buyer who wanted to look at the bike. We met later that afternoon. They were happy with the bike and talked me down to $120. I was happy with that, and my wife would be happy that yet another bike was gone from our house. So I walked away with a total profit of $51 on this flip. This was a win in my book, but let's talk about how it helped the channel grow. The build video on this bike did about average for the channel and contributed to the channel's growth. As of recording this, the build video has over 1,800 views and added 20 new subscribers to the channel, and these numbers keep slowly climbing. Thank you for your support, and if you enjoyed this content, please consider hitting that like button. I hope this video has inspired you to keep an eye out for potential flips in your area. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more flipping content.